Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to download the files needed to install Noob's Raspbian for Raspberry Pi. Full tutorial. The first thing we want to do is open up Google Chrome and go to SD Formatter website. Alright, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select Download SD Card Formatter and then click on Accept. And you should now begin to download it. The next thing we want to do is download the FAT32 Formatter GUI format. Alright, after that, go to the Noob site and download the Noob's Raspbian. Once that's downloaded, we want to go back to our desktop and click on the Downloads folder, and we want to go ahead and extract the Noobs, and we want to extract the SD formatter also. Then go ahead and install the SD formatter on your PC. Once that's downloaded, we want to go ahead and just make sure we put shortcuts on our desktop for all the programs. We're going to go ahead and start the SD formatter. Make sure you have your SD card in your PC and you have the correct drive letter for it. Go ahead and format it. Okay, once you have it formatted, you want to open up the FAT32 formatter GUI format. Make sure you select the correct drive letter. This is very important, otherwise you'll delete other files on your system. Okay, click on Start, and now it should format everything in that card. Okay, now we're done. Go ahead and open up the Downloads folder again and go to the Noobs folder. Open it up and let's make a shortcut here for our SD card that it should be formatted already with nothing in it. Go back to the Noobs and make sure you copy everything inside that folder into your new formatted SD card. Let's give it a few seconds so it'll go ahead and download. I'm going to speed up the video. Okay, it's almost done. Alright, we're all set now. We want to go ahead and take off the SD out of the PC and insert it into the Pi. Raspbian should now be selected, and then click Install, and it will begin installing it into the Pi. I'm going to go ahead and speed up this part of the video also for the installation, since it takes a little bit. Okay, once Raspbian is installed, it'll go ahead and do a quick reboot, and then it'll go right back into the system. Okay, if you did everything correctly, Raspbian should now be installed on your Raspberry Pi. If you like this video, please subscribe. Leave your comments below and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Thanks for watching. I'll be making more videos in the future. Until next time.